What up, guys? Classic Forex here. You know how we do it. We simplify the complicated. Now, before I begin with our pre-market analysis, a Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year as well. Now, let's begin with our pre-market analysis here on UAUD, starting on the monthly time frame. We have the monthly upper zone, the mid-range zone, and the lower zone. Now, the monthly, we are going to take our time, understand what is going on over here before we can make a decision on this pair. Now, if you look at the monthly time frame, there's a strong level of buy pressure on this monthly support level, pushing it to the upside anytime there's contact made on it. And there's also a horizontal level for sell pressure. We see sell pressure here, sell pressure here, sell pressure here. So on the monthly, we are clearly seeing what? A range or a consolidation because there's no clear direction. Now, since price is in a range of consolidation and has picked buy pressure from support level, where does it go? It moves continuously to the next level of what? Sensitivity. So this entire movement over here is a range of consolidation, and we are capitalizing within that range of consolidation by looking for buying pressure to continuously move the market to the next resistance level of the monthly time frame. Now, how are you going to be able to pick an entry from here to the upside? Let's find out as we visit the various time frames. So UAUD, let's take it all the way to weekly time frame and continue with the flow of the analysis. All right, let's go to weekly. Alright, so this is the weekly time frame on UAUD. Now, if you look closer at UAUD on the weekly time, we have a weekly mid-range over here, which is a very strong level of what? Sell pressure. Now, this strong weekly level of sensitivity has been broken to the upside by buyers. Now, after the break above, where should price go to? Price should head all the way to the next what? Resistance level. Now, since price has been able to break above the strong level of sell pressure, it tells us that there's more buyers on the weekly, which will be able to push the market to the next what? Monthly resistance, as we described on the monthly time frame. Now that we also understand the weekly, let's take it further to daily time where we can continue with the analysis as well. So UAUD, let's take it to daily time frame, understand what is going on here on the daily, and know how we can be picking the buys to the upside as well. So UAUD, let's take it quickly to the daily time frame. Alright, so this is UAUD, also the daily time. Now, the daily time frame, what else do we see here? We are seeing a very beautiful uptrend buy because this is where price broke structure in the daily time frame, giving us a push higher, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Is still moving all the way to the upside. So this strong level of buy pressure is going to continue to move continuously before the contact is made on this monthly what? Resistance. So everything here on the daily time frame is also clear and showing us that price will make contact with this what? Resistance. But how are we going to be able to pick entry from here? Let's take it to the final time frame. It's going to be the 4 hour, where you are going to determine how to pick an entry here to the next what? Monthly resistance on UAUD. So UAUD, taking it all the way to 4H to continue with the analysis. All right, let's go very quick. All right, so this is also UAUD on the 4 hour time. Now, the 4 hour time frame, we have our 4H upper zone and our 4H lower zone. What else do we see on the 4 hour? We are seeing what? A beautiful uptrend here. But of course, price has been able to break above this one resistance level of the 4 hour time frame with a push to the upside, giving us what? A higher high. After high high, we expect to see what? The higher low as we test on this one level of sensitivity before an entry here can be taken all the way to the upside. So once price is able to come all the way down to complete exhaustion on this one support level, we look for candle confirmation here before an entry all the way to the upside. And what are the candle confirmations? They're the bullish engulfing candle, the significant pin bar, or the morning star before you're able to buy here to the next level of sensitivity is going to be the monthly resistance level. So UAUD, we are also done with our analysis. Now, there's only one thing that can make this setup invalid. That is, if price does not come all the way down to complete the retest and we only see what buy pressure to the upside, then this setup becomes what invalid for entry because we know that sellers were able to push the market back for what retest before continuing all the way to the upside. So that's also for UAUD. Let's take it further to the next time frame or the next pair on the list. Alright, so the next pair on the list is CHFJPY. Now, CHFJPY, let's start the analysis also on the monthly time frame. We have the monthly upper zone and the monthly lower zone. On the monthly, price is moving an uptrend high because we've seen the push the upside giving us a higher high after higher high. Price drop down for higher low after higher low. Where does it go? Continuation all the way to the upside. So the buy pressure here is more likely to make contact with the next monthly resistance level before it may break or reverse to the what? To the downside. But for now, we only do for entry that will take us all the way to the next monthly resistance as equal high to this what level of sensitivity. So how are we going to be able to pick entry all the way to this monthly resistance? Let's take it further to weekly time where we can know exactly what is going to happen before the entry comes in and move price to the upside as well. So CHFJPY, taking it all the way to a weekly time frame to continue with the analysis. Alright, so this is also the weekly time frame on CHFJPY. Now CHFJPY on the weekly, let's put meaning into it. We have the weekly upper zone and the weekly lower zone. What is happening on the weekly? Where is price going on the weekly? On the weekly, we are seeing an uptrend. Why? Because price broke below one or price broke above this lower high to the upside, giving us a higher high. After higher high, it dropped down for higher low. Morning star candle confirmation, buy pressure pushing the market all the way to the upside. So this beautiful uptrend here on the weekly time frame is also indicating that buyers are taking the market all the way to the next one resistance level of the monthly. So now that we also understand the weekly and know that it's also aligned with the monthly direction, what are we going to do? We're going to take it further to various time frames or the time frame below. Look for entry here to move continuously to the upside on CHFJPY. So CHFJPY, let's take it quickly to a daily time frame to also do more analysis on the daily as well. All right, let's go to daily. Alright, so this is CHFJPY on the daily time frame. Let's put more meaning into it. Now, CHFJPY on the daily time frame, we are seeing strong level of buy pressure here, pushing the market all the way to the upside. Now, remember, this strong level of buy pressure was the morning star candle confirmation that we saw on the weekly time frame. Okay, so over here, we are seeing it as a lot of our bullish candles pushing the market to the upside, right? There's not so much to talk about here on the daily time frame. So let's take it further to a 4-hour time frame. Understand this entire structure here on the 4-hour and know how the entry will come in and push the market to the upside on CHFJPY. So CHFJPY, taking it all the way to a 4-hour time frame to look for entry to the next monthly resistance level. All right, let's go. All right, so this is CHFJPY on the 4-hour time. On the 4-hour time frame, let's put meaning into it. We have the 4H upper zone and the 4H lower zone. Now on the 4-hour time frame, price made a strong push to the upside, breaking above this resistance level to give us a higher high on the 4H. Price came down for higher low, failed to break after making contact with the 4-hour resistance level, and we are seeing sell pressure coming all the way down. So this sell pressure is bringing the market down again to pick the second wave of buy pressure here to push it continuously to the upside. So CHFJPY immediately price complete this one second exhaustion to make contact with the support level over here. This is exactly where we're going to find an entry to the upside. So once price complete the retest again, look for candle confirmations here, and then we buy all the way to the upside to the next monthly resistance level. So CHFJPY, this is our full and complete analysis on this pair. Let's move to the next pair very quick. Let's go. Alright, so the next pair on the list is NZDCHF. Now NZDCHF starting on the monthly time frame. We have the monthly upper zone, the mid-range zone, and the lower zone also. Now if you look closer at the monthly time frame, price is moving to the downside. Why? Because we've seen the push to the downside, giving us a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and then a break below previous lower low, going all the way down to give us a new lower low. So on the monthly, since price has been able to break below this one, lower low or this support level, we are heading all the way to a downside. So if you're heading all the way to a downside, that means that we're only picking sells to the next level of our sensitivities below. So NZDCHF, now that we understand the price going down, we're going to be picking sells. Let's take it further to a weekly time frame, understand the weekly flow, and know how entries will be coming in as well. So NZDCHF, taking it again to a weekly time frame for further understanding. Now, this is the weekly time frame on NZDCHF. Now, NZDCHF on the weekly, we have a weekly lower zone here. So now the weekly time frame, it is very evident that price heading all the way down to the next weekly support level. So you can see the amount of sell pressure that was able to break below what this strong monthly what level of sensitivity to the downside, heading all the way to this what support level. So on the weekly, since price coming all the way down, they have an idea on where to put our take profit. So let's take it further to daily time frame, understand what is going on here on the daily before we go to a 4-hour time and pick ourselves to this one weekly support level as well. So NZDCHF, taking it all the way to daily time frame to continue with the analysis. Alright, so this is also NZDCHF on the daily time. Now the daily time for NZDCHF, we have the daily upper zone and the daily lower zone. Where is price going on the daily? Price moving it down to the daily time, which is very, very good because we know that it is moving in the overall direction of the market. So this is a daily push giving us a lower low, a daily exhaustion lower high, a new daily push giving us a new lower low, breaking out below this previous lower low, a new lower high is forming after lower high. We continuously move all the way to the downside. So once price complete the lower high of this one daily time frame, we are expecting to see more sell pressure from here to push the market further to the downside. So NZDCHF, this is also daily time frame, and you're going to be looking for entry and a retest of this daily resistance to move all the way to the downside. All right, let's take it further to the 4-hour time frame where we can continue with the analysis. All right, so this is NZDCHF also on the 4-hour time frame. Let's take our time and explain. On the 4H, we have a 4-hour resistance level, and this is the retest that we expected to complete on the daily before the sell pressure comes in all the way to the downside. So NZDCHF on the 4-hour time frame, we are expecting price to make contact here with the daily resistance, candle confirmation right exactly here, and we pick our entry to the downside on this spell. Okay, we are also going to be watching this resistance level, which is very key because price can also start selling from here to a downside. Okay, so we are watching this resistance and then this daily resistance as well. Anywhere we are going to find the candle confirmation, we are going to pick our entry all the way to a downside to reach the next one, weekly support level. So NZDCHF, this is also our full and complete technical analysis. All right, let's move to the last one on the list. All right, so GBPAUD last pair on the list. Let's analyze it. Now on the monthly, we have the monthly upper zone, the mid-range zone, and then the lower zone. Where is price going on the monthly time frame? Obviously, price moving all the way to the upside. Why? Because buyers have been able to break above the mid-range zone and they are heading all the way to the upside. So this is a very beautiful uptrend on the monthly time frame, pushing the market to the upside. Now, since price is trading above the mid-range zone, we're looking for entries only to the upside. Let's take it further to weekly time frame to continue with the flow. Alright, so this is EURAUD on the weekly time. On the weekly time for EURAUD, let's put meaning into it. We have a weekly mid-range zone over here. Now the weekly, if you look very closely, price was initially in the range of consolidation here. Why? Because there was buy pressure horizontally here and then sell pressure also horizontally above us. So this break above the range of the consolidation is very significant because we know that price has moved from this ranging structure and is now in an uptrend structure. So okay, so this gives us what more clues that price is heading all the way to the upside. Also okay, so EURAUD, let's take it further to daily time frame, understand what price is doing above this monthly resistance before we can know how to pick our buys to the upside of this pair. So EURAUD or GBPAUD, let's take it further to daily time frame to continue with the flow of the analysis. All right, let's go. All right, so this is EURAUD on the daily time frame. Let's explain. On the daily, we have our daily mid-range zone over here. What is price on the daily? On the daily, you can clearly see a beautiful uptrend over here. Why? Because price gave us a push the upside, giving us a higher high. It dropped down for higher low, a new higher high, a new higher low. Where does it go next? Under new higher high, which will make contact with the what? The weekly resistance level. So GBPAUD, we're going to be looking for entry that will take us all the way to this weekly resistance level. How are we going to be able to do that? Let's find out as we visit the 4-hour time frame for it. Alright, so this is GBPAUD on the 4-hour time. On the 4-hour time, you can see we already have an entry over here. Those of you that follows me on TikTok, Instagram, or here on YouTube, you will get to realize that what this was an entry that I gave to you guys. I think last week. Yes, those of you that entered, you are already in profit. But we're going to add another entry to this one to move into the same direction of the market. I'm going to put a link of that video which I gave you guys this signal in the description that you can go and check it out yourself. But let's look at the entry on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4H, since you are still seeing the uptrend, we are expecting this movement to go up, break above this previous high, retest it, and then more buying opportunities will come in to move the market to the next monthly resistance level as well. So GBPAUD, this is our 4-hour second entry into the overall direction of the market. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and then don't forget to join my free signals group. The link is on my bio. If you are looking for the best course in the world, you can also join in with my push and exhaustion course at a very cheap price. See you guys in the next video. Stay classy and treat classy, guys. Peace. I'm out.